Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E13, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. You need to start by locating Sound Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now select Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can tap on this button right away, the middle red one, to start my recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left icon. And in order to end and save your recording, click on this right button. Now, to access list of all your recordings, click on this right button with 3 lines. Now you can play the chosen one by clicking on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, and tap on this bin icon at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to rename your recording though, you need to hold it, but this time select those 3 dots at the top right corner of it and choose Rename from the list. Now label it however you wish to and click on Save. In order to adjust more recording options, go back to the main screen, tap on this gear icon on the left, and manage all of them however you wish to, like Format. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!